Nexus. Log into the database. Look for any information relating to the name Blue Owl.
Certainly, sir. Let's see. Name, Tyler Grant, also known as Blue Owl. He was supposed to be a government experiment used for military force, but instead, the project went rogue. The subject went on a rampage, causing millions dead. But once apprehended, he was put in a sealed container where he could not be released. Apparently, someone had the idea to bring him out. He has telekinetic powers, and not only that, he's able to bend humans to his will as well. And also, Montreal has turned into a telekinetic battleground. He sounds rather dangerous, sir.
I'll take care of it. Download the escape odds. Prepare everyone for evacuation.
Certainly, sir.
Blue Owl. So I see you've made yourself at home here. So tell me, who is the one who let you out of your bird's nest? Daggermouth. How kind of you to join me. Based on your question, let's just say some secrets are worth dying for, detective. You have no idea just how easy that can be arranged. So allow me to demonstrate if I could.